ki Pulit ka Bhoi menta ka sngi ka Pulit terek unai lur kilayo ban bat ya Kawei ka Trok Bhoi district ringkat Kynja kumba khandai kilo katika Trok ka dei ka badang hiar shaki benta Guwahati katika jing yo kem ki Pulit ka Bhoi ya katika Trok ka dei hadian ba na kalyang ki Pulit kilayo ka jing tep ka babnia halor ka jing don Kawei ka Trok ka baket ya ki jing di buai bat na kalyang ki Pulit kila penlong ka jing pen ap shirup Nongpoh bat kilayo ban bat ya Kawei ka Trok ka badan ya unamba NL02N2630 bat hadian ka jing telasi lalap ya kumba khandai kilo Kynja marijuana bala song bha ki plastik bala kit hakate ka Trok bat hakate ka Trok layo Kurup ru ya ki song thok Kynja halor kate ka jing yo Kurup ke Pulit kila kemno ya unongnya jong kate ka Trok bat ka jing tok kit kadang ya shakhamat
Isi hamdam. Sama sekali. Cheating.
Oh, I'm cheating technically.
Illegal cheating. Cheating.
Good afternoon. Today we got a source information that one truck is carrying some contraband substances. On receiving the information, we have put up a Naka checking both in Unsning and in Nongpoh. So during the Naka checking, we have intercepted one truck bearing registration number NL02N2630, and one person was detained by the name Geramsha Boro. He is the driver of the truck, and on checking from the truck, we have recovered 9 kg of ganja, and the formalities are being done by our staff, and the truck has been seized and the driver is arrested.